Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your reminders on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, tap on privacy and security. Once you are here, just click on the reminders, and here are going to be listed applications that have requested access to your reminders. But as you can see, I don't have any applications right here, so it means that any application that I have on my iPhone ever requested access to my reminders, and it will also be the same with you. So if nothing's here, it means you're safe. So again, how to get to the setting. So open settings, swipe down, privacy and security, reminders, and here you are. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.